Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. I got a quick one for you here today. It's an unboxing. Saw something on sale. Couldn't wait for the wife to pick it up for Christmas or anything like that, so went ahead and picked it up for myself. Yeah, only a couple days before Christmas, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox it anyway. I'm going to show you what I got. So, well, I'm not going to chatter about it. I know what it is. You're going to see that. It's a lot of packaging for this. Can you see that? Can you see that? SK Tools, part number 80180. What is that? Well, it's the first, I believe, and only USA made tool that will be in my socket drawer. 1/4 inch 90 tooth pear head. It's a little crunchy. Ooh, there we go. It was on sale, 30% off. SK. It's a lot of teeth in there. Almost wish this was that green, but it's nice. Give you a concept of how big it is. It's not that big, right? But I like it. It's small. If you're doing 1/4 inch work, you want small, right? It's nice in the hand. It says SK part number 80180, I believe that is, and then USA. And then USA at the top, so they got it stamped in multiple spots. Looks like a serviceable ratcheting mechanism, which I won't get into because, you know, I won't use it enough, but it's got a nice weight to it. I like it. It'll be beautiful in the toolbox. So that's the unboxing. It's a quick one. I'll do a comparison of this and my other 1/4 inch ratchets. I got 2 other, but they're both Taiwanese or Chinese. So I wanted to have an American made one and the price was right. Thank you, SK Tools. I tell you what, I ordered this on a Monday night, late on a Monday night. It showed up Thursday afternoon. Shipping was quick, and that was with their free shipping, right? I didn't even pay to express it. That's almost Amazon Prime quick from ordering directly from SK Tools. So hat tip to Hard Knocks Forge for posting about the 30% off. And then, yeah, I went ahead and splurged on something. So it's nice. It's nice. Got to use it a little bit before I give you a full report, but it feels really good. And now I got a Made in America ratchet. America. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you guys got any comments, if you've used this, if you know what these are about, go ahead and comment down below. If you like unboxings, I know it's only one item, but you know, go ahead and like. If you think you might be interested in what I got going on the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks a lot for tuning in. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. Now I got an American made ratchet. I have too many ratchets for an amateur, but I like them. It's American. This one didn't take an hour. Peace. Add her in here. Check it out. SK. Welcome home, buddy. Check it out, though. Put them all up there so we can compare sizes. It's the smallest one I got. And that chrome, that is sharp. I gotta clean these up a little bit. Wonder if I'm getting a little moisture in here. It's short. The profile on it, really small. So I like it. Have fun in there. Don't make too many friends.